Good morning, YouTube. I hope you can hear me. I hope you can see me. So, I'm going to do a tack room cleanup. Give you a tack room tour. We gotta go outside to get inside. It's freezing today. Nice, bright, and shiny. Okay, this is the mess that I call a tack room. So, over the winter, we've had some, things piled up. So this is our before. I'm going to give her a clean up. And we'll show you some after. Oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me over that darn turkey. We're cleaning up the barn too. I'm going to poke him. I'm going to poke him with something so he comes down. He's got to go down and eat something. Drink some water. Let's get this. Ugh. We're going to poke this turkey. Oh, he's pooping. Come on, get down. Come on. Come on. Figure it out. Figure it out. Get down. Yep. Do it. Get down. Come on, I'll keep touching your bum. Come on. Figure it out. Figure out how to get down. Show him. Come on. Come on, get down. Oh, don't poop on me. Come on, turkey, there you go. Peter, shush. Come on, down you go. Come on. You too. Down you go. Okay, but you gotta go down. Come on. Ah, don't poop on my stuff. Alright. It's not working. Turkey is not coming down. Anyway. So we're trying to clean the barn. Look, turkey's pooping everywhere. My dog's a fool. Come on, turkey, down you go. See if food will help. Okay, this is my attempt to get them down. Maybe they will come down all on their own. I don't know. We're gonna try it. I'll leave them alone for a few minutes. These guys are all ticked off because I fed those guys some grain and not these guys. They don't know that they're all coming in individually for some feed. Like this guy here, he's gonna get ridden. Her here, she's gonna get ridden. Her there needs her feet trimmed. This one back here, she's gonna get ridden. Macy, oh, we don't know. We don't know what she's gonna do with her. Him, no, nothing. Her, down back, yes. Are we shitting? See him shitting? I can't see nothing. Okay, here we have a reorganized tack room. So now it's a little bit easier to get to the saddles than it was. Got some of our feed bins outside. Pretty happy with all that. Hung up our some blankets. Some blankets we didn't hang up yet. Yep, this is how we do. Saddle racks on the wall. We constructed this area. It was, well, you can watch the basement door, that video. That'll show you what this place used to look like. Now let's go see the barn. Pita! Pita! Oh, there. They're back. They did leave. Okay, we got the turkeys down. My ideas didn't work. One of them ended up coming down, and the other one we grabbed by the ankle. I should have videoed it, but I wasn't thinking. Okay, so a little bit more organized out here. Trying to see what I can do with my barn so that we're a little more functional. Can't see me. Oh, it's so shiny. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We've reorganized the tack room tour, and now we're gonna ride that horse. A couple of them probably. This one right here.
Yeah, that's the guy. He's my favorite.